Alright, you got your 3D, but there's no game, so let's open these, okay? Under the stove. It should be. I saw it there. Did you look below the pan? Which game is that? What you got?
Super Mario.
Super Mario!
Yeah.
Yeah. Woohoo. Yeah?
That's cool.
I hid it from myself.
What you get?
Interference.
Yeah. What did you get in that one?
To go free us.
Let me see. What's that one? One's from Daddy and one's from Papa and Grams. Let me see. Let Mama see. Turn them around. SpongeBob and Mario. So cool. You gotta go plug it in and charge it.
Interference.
Alright, come here and give Daddy a kiss. Say mwah.
Mwah.
Look at the camera and give Daddy a kiss. Nathan. Nathan, look in the camera, give Daddy a kiss.
Mwah.
And say thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, Daddy.
Hey, come here. Come here. Say thank you, Grams and Papa.
Thank you, Papa.
All right. Go.